Configuring Xchat to look for controllers at the back of an IP address. There are two files you got in the XGuard XGuard Toolkit folder. We have xchat.ini or configuration settings and the xchat.exe or the application itself. First of all, we've got to configure the IP address inside the ini file or the configuration settings file. To do that, open it up via Notepad. We need to make sure that as we're looking down an IP address, our COM port equals 0. COM underscore port equals 0, which means when the application is looking down this configuration settings file, it ignores COM0 because it doesn't exist and looks now for our IP address. First of all, on the IP address line, we need to remove the semicolon at the very beginning of the line and then simply change our IP address to the controller that we need to talk to, which in our case is 2.22, and under the IP port, again remove the semicolon from the front of the line. This is us set. That's all we've done, is tell it to look for IP address this, down this IP port. The next step is to save it. Now, if a file has already been edited, it should save and simply close. If this comes up, this means that the device Xchat has not been set for modification. So we'll click on cancel, minimize the notepad, go to the details or the properties of the Xchat configurations file, and just allow any user to modify it. Because by default, the users do not have full control. Apply, OK. Okay, so now our notepad, which we minimize towards the bottom, we can file and save, and that's it saved.